Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update IRA rollovers in Schwab One, full guide step by step clearly. To update IRA rollovers in Schwab One, start by logging into your Schwab account. Navigate to the Accounts section on the main dashboard. Select your IRA account from the list of accounts displayed. Click on the Transfers option, usually located in the menu. Choose the Transfer an Account or Rollover option to begin the process. Fill out the required transfer information, including the account type you are rolling over from. Enter the amount you wish to roll over, ensuring you follow any specific IRS guidelines. Review the transfer methods available, such as electronic transfer or check. Select your preferred method and provide any necessary details, like routing or account numbers. If required, upload any supporting documents to facilitate the transfer. Double-check all information for accuracy before submitting your request. Once you are confident everything is correct, click the Submit button to initiate the rollover. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your request has been received. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the status of your rollover. After a few days, log back into your account to verify that the funds have been successfully transferred. If you encounter any issues, contact Schwab's customer support for assistance. Make sure to keep records of your rollover for tax purposes. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth update of your IRA rollovers in Schwab One. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.